Would you press the button? Write your choices in the comment and subscribe to the channel. You can take pictures with your eyes, but you can't delete them off your brain. Last one will shock you. Live twice as long, but your family only lives half as long. Become invisible, but you are invisible for 1 year. Can time travel, but you can't choose when or where you will end up. Be able to learn any skill instantly, but you will forget random skill that you already learn.